I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your Citizens Bank account, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the closure process, make sure you have all necessary information handy, such as your account number, identification, and any outstanding transactions. Step 2. Check for pending transactions. Log into your online banking account or check your recent statements to ensure there are no pending transactions or automatic payments linked to your account. This will prevent any issues during the closure. Step 3. Visit a local branch or call customer service. You can either visit a local Citizens Bank branch or call their customer service number. If you choose to call, be prepared for potential wait times. Step 4. Complete the account closure form. Once you are at the branch or on the phone, request the account closure form. Fill it out with the required information and ensure you specify that you want to close the account. Step 5. Confirm the closure. After submitting the form, ask for confirmation of the account closure. Keep any documentation they provide for your records. This is important in case there are any issues later on. Closing your account can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service. Good luck!